Hospital, who have not only put up a very brave battle with the disease called cancer, but have also successfully defeated it. So a very, very warm welcome to all of you. This entire event is for all of you, to celebrate you all who have put up this great fight, and to also through you encourage people to said, you have to come, you have to come. And she said, okay, okay, I'm coming. But we don't realize that, it really takes people like her and many more here 2 hours to just travel from where they stay and come to us. So really thankful and grateful to each one of you who has come all the way to celebrate with us the victory of our winners, and to also spread the message that let's do an early detection and move towards eradication of disease, not only a cure, not only a treatment. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everybody. Jaslok Hospital has given me a call that you have to come and grace the occasion as a chief guest for the victory of the woman power. I will say this is a victory of woman power because they have conquered the disease. They have conquered the pain. They have conquered the agony of the disease. And they are laughing and taking it as a fight. So congratulations to everybody who has conquered the disease called a breast cancer. Dr. Tarang, you have given a very good name, Pink Note. Pink color is a sign of, everybody likes a pink color. And they have brought the pink color once again in their life. All the women have brought those who have conquered the breast cancer. Breast cancer is a disease. It is to some extent, if it is early diagnosed, talk to them and see their performance. Thank you.
Was here, please. Please come, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm very happy to be here. क्योंकि एक तो जसलोक आई थिंक हैज़ बीन माई होम फॉर मैनी मंथ्स. मेरे बच्चे यहीं पैदा हुए थे. एंड एवरीबडी फ्रॉम द लिफ्टमैन टू द स्टाफ, एवरीबडी इज फैमिली टू मी ओवर हियर. डॉक्टर्स तो है ही, बट फ्रॉम द नर्सेज टू वार्ड बॉयज़ टू एवरीबडी, उन्होंने इतना अच्छा हमारा ख्याल रखा था. एंड सो दिस प्लेस हैज़ स्पेशल मीनिंग फॉर मी. एंड ऑफ कोर्स तरंग ने कहा मुझे यहाँ आने, शी सेड आप आके इन लेडीज़ को मोटिवेट कीजिए. लेकिन मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैं यहाँ मोटिवेट होने आई हूँ. मैं आप लोगों को क्या मोटिवेट करूँगी. यू ऑल आर टू गुड एंड सो ब्रेव एंड सो करेजियस. और हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि कैंसर सर्वाइवर हैं आप. आई थिंक ये सर्वाइवर टर्म अब निकाल देना चाहिए. यू ऑल आर कैंसर कॉन्करर्स. So definitely, I don't think we should ever call them survivors. They have conquered it, and I want to meet all of you all. I've come specially to just meet you all, get motivated, and go back home feeling that I do nothing, you know, really, because such stories of strength, and you all are all so beautiful looking, all of them. I mean, Tarang, really, I think your hospital has done a wonderful job, because I haven't seen such beautiful looking women, not even in Bollywood, let me tell you. I mean, really, Katrina and Deepika can take a lesson from them. So I want to actually just call all of you all up over here, and if you all would honor me by just giving me a hug, I'll be very happy. हाँ जी, अगली मूवी क्यों, अभी डांस करते हैं हम लोग सब इधर आके. You are so lovely looking. Kevin, I think we should all do one dance over here, Tarang, because I have never seen such beautiful women ever, all together. How are you? Thank you. I didn't get a chance to meet you. कैसे हैं?